Good evening, sir.
Haribam, good evening. Namaste. Jai
Namaste.
Guru.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please enter. All of you enter with your name. Audio muted. Video should be on till the end of the session. Video should be on. Audio should be muted. Sachit Nagoshi and Divya Mehan is not yet connected. Audio is not yet connected. So Anantarangan, where are you from? Unmute your audio and introduce yourself.
I'm from Bangalore.
Bangalore. So your parents, unmute your audio and introduce.
Yes, sir. I am Harini, mother of Anantarangan. So we are from Bangalore, sir.
So what Anantarangan is doing? Which class is studying?
He is in grade 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the purpose of joining Anantarangan?
So to improve his brain activities, sir,
Good.
to focus, to gain the focus.
Harshavardhan, unmute your audio, introduce yourself.
So I'm Harshavardhan from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Which area from Tamil Nadu? Enga irundhu pesringa?
So Trichy.
Trichy, Trishurapalli. Okay. Where are his parents?
So even they are from Tamil Nadu, ma'am.
I know. Where are your parents?
I'll go bring them, sir.
Bring them.
Just check with your Amma, Harsha.
Okay, ma'am.
Jeevan. Jeeva. Jeeva, where are you from? Jeeva.
Bandit.
I can't understand.
I am from Randall, sir.
You are from London.
London.
UK.
They are from Bangalore, sir. She is
Bangalore, huh? Bangalore. Oh, that's why I can't understand. That's why. Who is sitting beside you? Jeeva ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Yellow t-shirt ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Your brother, huh?
I'm from Bangalore.
Jai Gurudev, Guruji.
Jai Gurudev. Ananta Singh from Rishikesh. Okay. Aru. Aru, huh?
Yes, sir.
Namaste. What is your name?
My name is Aryan. I'm studying 11th standard. And
Where are your parents?
sir, they are in home. My father is in office.
They are in office, huh?
Yeah.
Who is accompanying you?
My mother.
Your mother? You just
Yeah,
told.
sir. She's on a call and.
Okay, right, good. Sachit Nagoshi.
Yes.
Last week you came. Introduce yourself.
My name is Sachit Nagoshi. I'm studying 4th standard.
Where are you from?
From Telangana in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yes.
What is the purpose of joining?
To improve my brain. Because in these days I'm going to my school, staying there for 4 hours and coming back.
So you are feeling more stress in school.
No, I have exams right now.
That's
My
why-
exams are going on. That is why I need to practice.
Okay, good. Right. Divya Menon is not connected. You call her and tell her to connect, join with the audio. So Empress Chandramouli is there for his recording. Okay. Okay, no problem. So
Yeah,
Neta,
Harsha, you can introduce yourself along with your mom.
tell me, ma'am.
Mom,
Harshavardhan.
so I'm Harshavardhan from grade 6 and this is my mother, mom.
Hello, sir.
So, namaste, Jai Gurudev.
Namaste, sir.
So, what is the purpose of joining Harshavardhan for the brain class, brain yoga?
To improve his concentration,
And to focus.
Focus. So, he knows everything. So, I am lacking in this focus and concentration. That's I needed. So, you should realize it. What is the strength, the potential? What is your weakness and threats? Then only it is more effective in this class. Without knowing something and joining the class and simply not accompanying the parents and well-wishers and guide, how can you improve it? See, the teachers, they got me and giving such a valuable course, but you should know the value of the education, value of the parents, and value of the teachers. Then only you will know, you will listen effectively and learn effectively.
sir,
Okay,
can
let us start.
I join my younger son also?
Pardon?
Can I join my younger son also?
Pardon?
Sir, I have my younger son, Vishnuvardhan. Can I call him also?
Oh, please. All are welcome. No?
Yeah, ma'am. That's
This value education. జై గురుదేవ్ అమ్మ ఎవరినో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు కొంచెం వెయిట్ చేయాలి, హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేయాలి. చూడు ఆ పిల్లలంతా హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేసిన నీకు చెప్తూనే ఉన్నాను. బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు టాక్ యూ షుడ్ రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. గుడ్. గాయత్రి వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకోవాలి. All everyone should switch on the videos and switch off your audios. Whenever necessary, you unmute your audio and talk. Okay. Except Chandramouli sir is not he is doing some technical work. Okay, let us start. Some Harshavardhan brother is there, red t-shirt. He is a younger one or elder one, younger one. Introduce yourself. Harshavardhan. சொல்லுங்க, திருச்சிராப்பள்ளில இருந்து வந்தீங்க நீங்க, உங்க பேர் சொல்லுங்க.
நான் ஹர்ஷவர்தன், அது விஷ்ணுவர்தன்.
ஓ, ஹர்ஷா விஷ்ணு. இது ரெண்டு பேர் ட்வின்ஸா?
Twins. 1.5 difference இருக்கு.
1.5 year difference. Okay, right. என்ன பண்றீங்க நீங்க?
விஷ்ணு டிவி பாக்குறா. இப்பதான் கிளாஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
அப்படியா? நீங்க ஹர்ஷா என்ன பண்றீங்க நீங்க இப்போ?
நான் ஸ்டடி பண்ணுறேன்.
ஓ, அண்ணா மாத்தம் டிவி பாக்குறா, நீங்க ஸ்டடி பண்றீங்களா? ஓகே, வெரி குட். ஆனா நீங்க குட் பாய் அதுதானே? அப்படி இல்லையா? 50-50யா? கொஞ்சம்
பேட் பாய்.
ஐயோ, ஹர்ஷா வந்து பேட் பாய் சொல்லிட்டீங்க நீங்க எல்லாரும் ஒண்ணும். நான் வந்து ஹர்ஷா நல்ல பையன், நீங்க 50% இப்பதான் டிவி பார்த்துட்டு வர்றீங்கன்னு நினைச்சேன் நான். நீங்க
ஹர்ஷாவும் முன்னாடி டிவி பார்த்தா அதுக்கு அப்புறமா இந்த கிளாஸ்
இப்போ நீங்க வந்து படிச்சுட்டு வந்து இப்ப படிப்பு விட்டுட்டு இங்க வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணீங்க. ஓகே ஓகே, ரைட். இப்போ உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் கான்சென்ட்ரேஷன், மெமரி, செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ், வில் பவர், படிப்புல வந்து அக்கறை எல்லாம் இருக்குதா? ரைட். இப்போ வந்து நம்ம இது பார்க்கலாம், நம்ம விளையாடலாம். So all of you can play now. Okay, come on, first shake your fingers. Shake your fingers. Come on, make it fast, make it fast, make it fast. Forward, backward, forward, backward. Move your fingers. Sidewards, sidewards, sidewards. Fast, 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 fast. See the bone sounds. Bone sounds and see the electrical current, statistical current is passing around your fingers. And see your face is glowing. You are smiling. You are feeling happy, happy, happy. Oh, slowly stop, slowly stop, slowly stop. See, the brain is getting activated. Your brain is getting fresh energy by doing this. Brain is the root, finger at the end points. Immediately you can boost up. See the goosebumps around your hands, wrist, fingers. You can feel, no? Right. Now you are going to clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, all of you start at the same time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How is the sound echo? How is the energy? How the blood vessels, the brain lobes? By clapping these hands, your brain lobes will be activated. This is acupressure point. Acupressure, reflexology. Okay. Now we are going to do reverse. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Rakesh, Gayatri, and Ananta Singh, you should join. Unmute your audio, video. Gayatri, now you should chop your palms. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See, I am showing Harshavardhan, Vishnuvardhan. This is chopping, cutting. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, opposite hands. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next. Now we are going to do chopping sidewards. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Aryan, come on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next. Here, like this. This portion you should stimulate. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now this portion. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. Now punching. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. How is it? How the hands is getting very burning, and brain is getting relaxed. Your eyes is become bigger. You are getting smiling face. Your face is glowing, charming. Good. Now we are going to do the other exercise in hands. See, we have 3 lines in each finger. Can you observe? Each finger has 3 lines. So in the 3 fingers, you should press it and massage each line. All of you do. In each line, you should press it and massage around the lines. Do it. This is known as dawn therapy, so that your brain muscles is getting more stimulated. You will get more relaxation. Stress all will be removing. Stress will be removed by doing this exercise. This is therapy, brain therapy. Brain is the root, fingers are the end point. Understood? So that's why we all have the Aadhaar card. Ellarku Aadhaar card irka? Ellarku Aadhaar card idiya? Andarku Aadhaar card unda? On what basis the Aadhaar card is given? On the basis of fingerprints and eyelashes, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So why they have taken the Aadhaar card fingers? Brain is the root, finger are the end points. The nearest organ is eyes. That's why they took the eyelashes also. Now from first birth to last birth, this fingerprints will not change and eyelashes will not be, races will not change. That's why they took this. These are permanent ID card, citizen card, green card, country card, Aadhaar card. They call it different names, but it has one meaning. So stimulate your brain. For stimulating, you are doing this. Now rub all the fingers like this. Catch all your finger. Rub, 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 rub. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Complete. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the finger 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Aryan, நீங்க போய் பண்ணணும். பார்க்க கூடாது. யோகா இது வந்து யோகா பண்ணாதான் தெரியும்.
ಆರ್ಯನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆರ್ಯನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. யாருக்கு புரியலோ அவங்க வந்து பேசணும் అన్మ్యూట్ பண்ணி. ఎవరికి తెలియదో వాళ్ళు అడగాలి అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి. Those who not follow, you please unmute your audio and then ask the doubt. I can tell you. Now the fingers are completely getting activated. Okay. Now we are going to do 5 plus 1, 6. All of you stretch your fingers, 5. One finger like this. If any partner is there, so you see Harshavardhan, Vishnuvardhan, Mummy is there. So 3 of them make a sound circle. மூணு பேரு ஒரு சர்க்கிள் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுங்க. ஹர்ஷவர்தனுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்ல விஷ்ணுவர்தன், மம்மி வந்து ஆப்போசிட்ல இருக்கணும் கேமராக்கு. ரைட், 3 பேர் சர்க்கிள். கிட்ட கிட்ட இருக்கணும். If the 2 members are there, opposite, you can sit. So ஆரியனுக்கு யாரும் இல்ல, நானே பார்ட்னர். I am the partner for you. Ananta Singh, where are you? Gayatri, where are you? Come on, switch on your video. Sachit, Nagoshi, come on. Partners, where is your partners? Sit opposite. So 5 plus 1. First, before going to clap like this, all of you open your fingers, both hands. Clap your partner, go back, change, and then clap. Go back, change, clap. Go back, change, clap. Go back, change, clap. Come on, Aryan, come on, clap me. Gayatri, Rakesh, cheyali. Come on, do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clap, go back, switch. Switch means change. Touch, go back, change. Like this, correct. See, Harshavardhan, they are doing like this, opposite. Right, good. And also next variation. One hand forward, the other hand backward. Opposite person should be clapping to the forward side. Right, good. All right, clap, go back, change. Clap, go back, change. Aryan, come and do it. Yeah, good. Clap my hand. See in the camera. Change, clap. So this hand, forward hand, should be touching your backward hand, palms. Okay. This hand, backward hand, your hand should be forward, clapping like this. See how you, not like this. Do like this. Come on, show me your hand. Yeah, see, your hand is positive. My hand should be negative. Now claps. Come on. Go back. Change. See. Ananta, come on, slowly. Clap me. Not like yes. Go back. Change. Clap me. Change, Ananta. Aryan, come on, change. Gayatri, change. Come on, do it. Come on, do it. Come on, do it. Change. Change. Very good. Understand? Opposite hand should be there. Now third variation, standing line, and this is sleeping line. This reverse hand should be sleeping line. Or kai minna irukano, or kai pinna irukano. Standing line, sleeping. This is known as Abhaya Hasta. This is known as Vama Hasta. Sleeping line should be touching to the positive line, standing line. Understood? Touch, go back, change. Touch, go back, change. Touch, change. Touch, change. Chain. Come on, do it, Sachit. Do it, Nagoshi. Touch. Jiva, come on. Jivane, come on. Standing line, sleeping line. Touch. Good. Now you are going to do opening each finger. Elaboration exercise. Each finger, close your wrist. Open one, close. Open second finger, close. Open third finger, close. Open fourth finger, close. Open fifth finger, close. Only one finger should be open and close. Now from fifth finger to first finger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open fully. Only one finger should be open. Understood? 1. See that the fingers are listening to you or not. Observe. What Aryan, you are doing like this? You are getting angry with your fingers. Only one finger should open. 1, close. 2, open, close. 3, open, close. 4, open, close. 5, open, close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Aryan. Come on. Jiva, come on. Sachin, Nagoshi. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only one finger should open. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you are familiar, then you can do the other thing. 1, 1 touching, go back. 2, 2 touching, go back. 3, 3 touching, go back. 4, 4 touching, go back. 5, 5 touching, go back. Now 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Come on. By closing, by opening your eyes, you should touch, go back, change, touch, go back, change. Now close your eyes and touch, go back, change, touch, go back, change. Do I see the mind is working properly and you are concentrating fully? No disturbance, no deviation, no distraction, no interaction, no interruption. Focus, focus, focus. Concentration, concentration, concentration. Focus, focus, focus. Come on, do it. Yeah, good. Only one finger should open. Practice, practice, practice. By closing your eyes, you slowly start and then make it fast and then make it slowly. Yes, Aryan is doing good. He is doing full concentration. Only one finger, Aryan. Anantarangan, kannu mudit pannunga. Close your eyes and do. Harsha, Vishnu, come on, close your eyes and do. Welcome, ma'am. Meeta, ma'am. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, I was, trying to connect on your old ID. Then suddenly I realized there is something wrong. Then I checked again and I could join now. Otherwise, I was just waiting the host to start the meeting.
Oh.
Just a moment.
Meeta ma'am is the principal for Yogendra Public School in Rishikesh. She is implementing this knowledge to her school in a curriculum. This knowledge is known as International Higher Sensory Perception Brain Yoga. If you are participating in this Olympiads, it's known as IHSP Brain Olympiads. More than 36 countries now are participating. My goal is to reach 181 countries. Already I am having 36 countries on online. All these students are participating with their parents at their home, at their country. They're doing well.
Good to know, sir.
Now we are going to for other variation. See, thumb is 1, index is 2, middle is 3, ring is 4, little finger is 5. Now 1 is touching to the 5, crossing, multiple choice, crossing. 1 is touching to the 5, go back, 1 close, 2 open, 5 close, 4 open, 2 and 4 is touching, 3 and 3, 4 and 2, 5 and 1. So one hand, fingers are coming from top to bottom. The other hand, fingers are coming from bottom to top. Understood? Now you should go reverse. 5 and 1, 4 and 2, 3 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 5. 1 and 5, 2 and 4, 3 and 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5 and 1. 5 and 1, 4 and 2, 3 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 5. By seeing you should do, and then by closing your eyes and do. And also you should dance and do. So at a time, your mind, brain, eyes, finger, legs, every part is under control. Astavadani, Dasavadani, Satavadani, multiple tasks at one time. All organs should be in your control. Come and do it. It is very difficult, but if you try, it is very simple. Go on doing this exercise whenever you have time. You can do it at any time by sitting, by walking, by going in a bus, auto, car. You can do this exercise. Get activate of your function of your brain. As per science, we are using less than 1% of the brain potential. By doing this, we can enhance it for 5% minimum. Dr. Abdul Kalam has used 3% of the brain potential. Albert Einstein has used 5% of the brain potential. We are using less than 1%. Come on, these are the brain gym, brain activating system. There are more than 116 varieties of these exercises. You can get activated of your brain, the nervous system from the head to the toes, toes to head. In this brain yoga, we have 6 health: physical health, mental health, family health, social health, cosmic health, financial health. Each thing should be discussed and shared along with the parents, students at their home. Okay.
Guruji, can we start with any hand, or any preference that we need to start with right hand or left hand?
This is doing at a time, no, ma'am.
No. So we can keep it one at the top and one at the bottom, right? So right in the
That is not.
Okay.
So left brain, those who activate, they can start with right brain. Right brain means you should, those who are right hand writers, they should start with left hand.
Okay.
So left hand first.
Okay.
You focus on the left hand. So if
Okay.
right brain activators, they are usually right.
Okay.
Hand. Left hand brain activators are right hand practitioners. Right brain activators are left hand practitioners.
Okay.
So if you are right hand practitioners, you should focus on the left hand.
Okay.
Left hand, if it is not very freely you are using, that's why you should focus on left hand. Okay, understood?
Sure.
Thank you. Any doubts you can ask, subject wise.
Have the recording so that we can practice at home. So since
Already
we don't know the sequence.
ma'am is taking the recordings. They can.
Okay.
If you want personal classes, you can call me. You can call and take the personal classes. My number is already given.
Okay.
I will also place this my number. Those who want personal classes, you can call and take my appointment, and then you can join. So my number is 8277-141234.
Okay.
I have given in the chat box. Okay, now we are going to do 5 plus 1. Sit opposite with your partners and then come and start. So 1 should touch the 5, 5 should touch the 1. The 1 finger should touch the center of the palms and stretch your fingers. Touch, push, go back, change, change, touch, push, go back, change, 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 change. With your part, Mummy, Harsha and Harsha and Vishnu, make a circle and then do it. Touch, push, go back, change, touch, push, go back. So when you are doing with your parents, the family strength will be improving. The neuron connectivity will be happening. The love and affection will be sharing. So your children can tune to your words. Okay, everything. Don't poke your partners. You should touch it like this, not like this. The finger should not touch. Only the palms, the flesh of the fingers should be there. No nails should touching. Ultimately, the finger should be stretched and it should be straight. That's the thing, your concept. And then don't touch Ananta Rangan. Kotading. Apdi illa, ipdi stretch pannu. Ipdi parunga. Like this. You should not poke like this. Like this you should stretch. Ayush, come on, do it. No, those who don't have anyone. If Wall is your friend. You can do like this. Understood? Like this, you can do it. Next. 5 plus 2, last two fingers. Last two fingers, 3 fingers should touch each other. This should be straight. See, the finger is like this, all of you like this. But this finger should be straight like me. How it becomes straight? By practicing, you will get this. By touching here and stretching the fingers. Go back, change, change, change. Jiva, come on. Last two fingers. What you are doing? Rendu kaiyila pannuppa. Both hands. Eradu kaiyila madbeko. Dono haath mein kar sakta. अच्छा है हिंदी अनंता
हम हिंदी समझते हैं सर।
हाँ समझते हैं। अच्छा आरुष आप हिंदी बिलासपुर है किधर गाँव?
सर बैंगलोर।
बैंगलोर भाई हिंदी सीखता है हिंदी मालूम?
यस सर।
घर को हिंदी बात करता? अच्छा 5 plus 3 8 like this. Touch, push, go back, change, touch, push, go back, change, touch, push. Jiva inna kili maaj pan raha hai. Both birds are doing something. You should do like this. Yeah, good. Touch like this. Touch, push, touch, push, touch, push. Sachit Nagoshi, क्या करो? करो जी. क्या बात है भैया. Right. Now 5 plus 4. 5, 4. Touch, push, go back, change. Touch, push, go back, change. Only thumb finger should be closed. Touch, push, touch, push, touch, push, touch, push. Yes. See, Gayatri is doing good with mommy. Rakesh भैया किधर है? राकेश भैया. ओ भैया आओ भैया इधर. राकेश भैया. Okay, nice. Now 10 is very funny. 1, clap. 2, on your lap. 3, clap. 4, clap your partners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Are enjoying lot? எல்லாரும் நல்லா ரசிக்கிறீங்களா? ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಗ್ನಗ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ? Stress free education, stress free lifestyle. Now we are going to crossing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand top, left hand down. Left hand top, right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one time right hand is coming up. The other time left hand is coming up. Understood? Can't do it. Don't miss this sequence. Yeah, good. These are all the games, Krida Yoga. In olden days, we have Ducky, Dola. In what do you call that is? Dandiya. That is all the memory games. That games will activate your brain. And we can also tap bhajan and dance, Bharatanatyam, Kathak, everything we will tap on the feet, the blood vessels, the brain lobes will getting activated. Okay. Now we are going to do the finger rotation exercise. See, before doing the finger rotation, we got finger stretching. Hand straight. Place your palms like this. Catch your fingers like this. Stretch your hands. Now breathe in, touch your thumbs to the center of the palm. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Swas le, swas chodo. Moochi ilungu, moochi udungu. Usirata tagoli, usiru bedi. Swasa తీసుకోండి, శ్వాస వదలండి. Like that 10 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now index finger open. See, all three fingers should catch index finger. Breathe in, touch. See, my fingers are touching, my hands are stretching. Exhale. Breathe in, breathe out.
Inhale and exhale.
Inhale and exhale. Yes, correct. Anush, Arush, come on, Arush. Keka puttistunnam. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. It's getting pain,
Inhale
but
and
enjoy the pain. It's a good pain. Yeah,
Inhale,
enjoy the
exhale.
pain.
Inhale, exhale.
Yeah, inhale, exhale. Da. Come on. Good, good. Pannuga. Come on, do it 10 rounds. Now third variation. See, you should leave the middle finger and catch the index finger. Understood? You should leave the middle finger and catch the index finger and three fingers. Breathe in, touch, breathe out, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Swas low, swas chodo. Hand straighter. Half means if you bend your forearms, you get 50%. If you stretch your hands, you will bend it more. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 10 times. You get pain. It's a good pain. Fourth one. You should leave the index finger, ring finger, and then catch all the three fingers. Stretch your hands without bending the elbows. Breathe in, touch the palms. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You're getting pain, but it's a good pain. Your brain lobes are stretching. 4, 5, 6. Come on, do it. Sachit Nagoshi. I'm seeing your ceiling fan. Your fan is very good. Your walls and doors are very good. But you are not appearing in the camera. I want you up here. If you are doing like that, you will be removed from the group. Sit. That's why parents should accompany with them. Ananta Singh. Singh is a king. Come on, where is the king? Without king, there is no kingdom. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Little finger. Ananta Singh, Adya Singh. Now do with the opposite hands. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Swas low, swas chodo. Breathe in, breathe out. See, all the brain is getting activated. Lobes are getting stretching. Your GB capacity is increasing. Your RAM's capacity also should increase. Everything is built by seeing our human brains. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Sashyate. So everything is there. So we have 100 TB data. Come on, index finger. We are using less than 1% of the data. 1 TB. Breathe in, breathe out. Come on, do it, index finger. After doing with in middle finger, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Middle finger. Yada, Gayatri, Rakesh Babu, Vijayanagar Raju, Ananta Singh, Adya Singh. Now fourth finger, ring finger. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. If you're getting pain, I will tell one technique. You should blow out while exhaling. That makes you less pain. Inhale in the nose, touch, exhale from the mouth. Inhale in the nose. See the less, you will get instant relaxation. You get more energy. You can do number of counts more. Finally, with little finger, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do it, do it. Understood? Stretch panano. Now we are going to do flowers. You know flower rains? How does flower rains come? You don't know? Come on. All of you, unmute your audio. Let us hear the sounds. Rain starts like this. Two finger, three finger, four finger, five finger, four finger, three finger, two finger, one finger. Okay, ready? Let us start. Let us hear all the sounds. Sachit Nagoshi, come on. Switch on your audio. Gayatri, switch on your audio. I want to see your finger sound. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start.
Next finger.
One. Index finger. Two.
Index finger. Index.
Three fingers. Four fingers. Five fingers.
Next finger.
Four.
Do this.
Three. Two.
Next.
One. Good. Now silent snow falling and flower falling.
No, I'm going out.
Snow falling.
கீழே வா அப்படியே. அப்படி இல்ல ஜீவா. Slowly.
Come on.
Come on. அப்படியே மேல போ. அப்படியே கீழே கொஞ்சமா வா. One shotல இல்ல.
Audio unmute for Jiva. Come on, open the mouth. Show your pulse, teeth, stars, glistening teeth. I want to see your teeth. Yeah. Arush teeth is very good, white color. Ananta's teeth is also very good, white color. Arsha and Vishnu teeth also very white. Jiva teeth is also white. What about Anantarangan teeth? I can't see Anantarangan teeth. Yeah, now I can see. Good. Sachit Nagoshi, your face at all not seeing. You are sitting backside of the light. You should focus the light to your face. Then only I can see you. Good. Now we are going to do memory. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. Jumping, japang, jippy cham. What is that music? Come on, Ananta Singh will sing. Come on, do it. Ananta Singh, start. Ananta Singh, audio unmute. Tell me the sound. Jumping japang song. Come on, do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ananta Singh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, take your fingers like this, thumbs and index finger. Change one hand like this. Touch each thing. Release the lower and then shift like this. Release the lower fingers and then shift. Shift, 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 shift. Climbing up and climbing down, 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 and climbing down. Climbing up, climbing up, climbing up, climbing down, climbing down, climbing down. Simply lifting your hands, that's enough. But you should do this. Without doing, it will not appear like climbing. See, this is climbing very nicely. Climbing down. Okay. Now, both hands, forward hand should be closed, backward hand should be open. Close, 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 close. Jiva, என்ன இப்படி பண்ற? இப்படி பண்ணு. Okay. Now we are going to do Harati. You are Harati for God. Gante bajao. Ganta. Oh. Om Namah Shivaya. Om, sleeping line and circle. Om Namah Shivaya. And reverse. Drishti. Reverse is Drishti. Removing all the negativity. And this hand, circle, sleeping. Now do it. Sachita, why you are sleeping? Come on, sit. Sit properly. So Sachit is not participating properly. Next time I should want Sachit should focus the face. I want to see the eyes, nose, lips, everything. But I can see their fan, the wardrobe. Reverse. Okay. Now draw a circle, 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 both hands, circle, 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 circle. Both hands reverse, 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 reverse circle, reverse circle, reverse circle, 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 reverse circle, reverse circle, reverse circle. Now start with the square. 4 corners are equal. Square, 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 square. Now reverse circle. Reverse square, reverse square, reverse square, reverse square, reverse square. Now you are drawing opposite circles. One circle is coming like this. The other circle is going opposite. Circle, circle, circle. Previously we are doing same circle, same line, but we are doing now opposite circles. Reverse and reverse. Previously we done the same square, same line. Now we are going to do opposite. See, this circle is coming and opposite. Now reverse. Now come on, do it. All of you do. Arush, come on, Pananga. Karoji. Now one hand circle, the other hand square. Both at a time. Circle and square. Hey, balle balle. Come on, do it. Hey, balle balle. 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 Come on, do it. Circle, square. Not dancing, Arush. You dance with this circle and square. Come on, do it. Circle and square. Reverse circle, reverse square. Now change. Right hand circle, left hand square. Come on, Pannunga. Reverse circle, reverse square. Now right hand 8, Left hand circle, 8 and 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 circle, 8 circle, 8 and 0, 8 0, 8 0, 0 8, 0 8. Now reverse 8, reverse 0, reverse 8, reverse 0, reverse 8, reverse 0. This hand 8, left hand 8, right hand circle, left hand 8, right hand circle, left hand 8, right hand circle. Stop and do it. Reverse 8, reverse circle, reverse 8, reverse circle, reverse 8, reverse circle, reverse 8, reverse circle. Welcome in one hand. Bye bye in other hand. Welcome, bye bye. Welcome, bye bye. Welcome, bye bye. Welcome, bye bye. Come on, Arush. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Bye bye bye. Oh, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on, Harshavardhan, Vishnuvardhan, come on. Red t-shirt not doing. Come on, welcome, bye bye. Welcome, bye bye. Come on, opposite hands. Welcome, bye bye. Welcome, bye bye. Welcome, bye bye. Welcome, bye bye. Very good. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. How was the class? Anantharangan parents?
Amazing. It was good. Amazing.
Okay, good, good, good. Then what
If
about
our recordings, no, it will be easy for us to practice also to give some.
one day it is
Sure,
not
ma'am.
enough, ma'am.
We will update you, okay?
It is one day is not enough. 3
Sure,
months is a course.
Okay.
See, Ananta Singh will do the performance. After doing these activations, there are number of activations. Marma Chikitsa.
Okay.
Left brain, right brain. Ananta Singh is ready to do the blindfold activity. Come on, do it. Take your kit.
Okay, Guruji.
Yeah, please give the demo. Please wait another 15 minutes. We will have the demo and then we can end the session. Okay. What about Pilwan? Pilwan. What is Pilwan? You changed the name, huh? Aryan. Pilwan, huh? It is Pilwan. You are Pilwan. Yes. How is the class?
Good, nice.
Very good. What about Harsha? Vishnu? Parish is Vishnu?
So he went.
Okay.
So
What
the class was amazing, spectacular.
Very good. Wow. Very good. What about parent of Harsha? How is
Yes,
the class?
sir, it's good. The new thing they started doing today. The first time they did that left hand one action, right hand one action. Simultaneously they tried today. So younger one feel little difficult. Slowly
Yes.
he will learn, I think.
Yeah.
Good one.
Jiva. Thank you, ma'am. Jiva, what about feedback?
See, it was nice.
How is it?
Hey, how was the class? It was nice.
It was nice, sir.
Nice, good. Parent? Jiva,
Yes,
parent?
it was good, sir. It was helping her actually.
Okay, now Ananta Singh will introduce and do the performance. See. Introduce yourself, Ananta Singh. Ma'am, please wait for 5 minutes, ma'am. Meeta, ma'am. 5 minutes. Huh?
I am Ananta from Rishikesh. I study in class 5th in Yogendra Public School. My father's name is Dr. Yogendra Pratap Mathuri and my mother's name is Dr. Archana Singh.
Very good. Drink water, unmute your audio, and then you do the blindfold. Both parents are doctors. She is tying the eyes with eyes closed, blindfold cloth, velvet cloth. Both are thick cloths. Both sides. Below the eyebrows, you should tie Ananta Singh. I can see your eyebrows. See. She is drinking the water in her home with the help of the parents. Come on, unmute your audio, Ananta Singh. I want your audio unmuted. Now, what is the performance you are going to do? Reading, writing, coloring. What are you doing? You know, God?
Coloring.
Coloring. Show the coloring book. Show the coloring book. Gayatri, undama oka nimisham. Kit తీసుకో, నీళ్ళు తీసుకో, నువ్వు రెడీగా ఉండు. Show me the coloring book.
Wait, Guruji.
Ah,
Wait, Guruji.
okay. Unmute your audio. Meanwhile, Gayatri, introduce yourself. Unmute your audio. Come on, introduce yourself.
I have got a Krishna book.
Oh, see, I want standing Krishna. Only one Krishna. So there is outlines of the other side. She will draw the first the garland and the red color and yellow color. Whatever the color, red color, yellow color, you take the color and draw it. Before doing coloring, she is showing to you. Now start doing with the.
I'm doing this one.
Yeah, whatever red and yellow color, red, yellow, gold color. You color it. Okay, right. Without crossing the outline, she identify with the third eye and she will do. By closing the eyes, she can do. How it is possible means I will tell the explanation later. Whatever we can do with the open eyes, we can do with the closed eyes. Whatever you do with the closed eyes, it is more concentration, more memory. Self-confidence will be improving, memory will be improving. So no disturbance, no deviation, no distraction, no interaction, no interruption. So she can activate other 4 senses. By closing the eyes, she can smell and read. She can hear and read. She can taste and read. She can touch and read. Sparsha, Rupa, Gandha, Shabda. Anyone can show the Ananta Singh coloring by lifting the camera so that she and the whatever she does, it should be focused to the camera. Gayatri, unmute your audio.
Sir, Unicords arrangement.
Okay, introduce yourself. Where are you from? Parents' name?
Good evening, all of you. My name is Gayatri from Andhra Pradesh, India, Chivapalli, Vizagaram district. My brother name is Rakesh. My mother name is Lakshmi. I joined Brain Yoga for training about my studies and my other activities.
Good.
I joined Brain Yoga on April 14th. I am very well developed in Brain Yoga.
So she is from Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagaram, nearby Visakhapatnam. She has joined on April 14th this year, 2021. She is doing all the things with eyes closed, blindfold. She is arranging the Uno cards by closing. Show the Uno cards, shuffle the Uno cards in front of you, in front of the camera. See, she took the Uno cards and shuffling in front of you. Shuffle properly. Red, blue, green, yellow. There are 4 colors. You know all the things. Wild card. Only the number card she is placing. Let us see what is happening. Now come and start. Who will do first? Gayatri or Ananta Singh? And here one of our guests, Meeta Chatterjee ma'am from Rishikesh. She is the principal of Yogendranath Public School in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. She has encouraging this knowledge for our school. She is implementing this knowledge in her curriculum in the next year, 2022. I invite her to talk about this knowledge with her perception. Welcome, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Just 3 months ago, I happened to hear about Mr. Srinivasan, and I was really amazed to see the changes that happened after attending his classes. Our children have been performing very well, and other organizations, or you can say people, they charge a very high amount, but they're not very much sure how much time the child will take to get this third eye activated, and he will be able to perform all these activities within what time, they cannot assure. But here we have full assurance. Within few seconds, our children could do it. Not like 1 day or 2 days, just within that moment, very moment, when the program was going on, we invited Mr. Srinivas to our school for 3 days workshop. Within those 3 days, many children, though it was a lockdown time, so many children could not come. Some 7 or 8 children were there who got the permission from their parents to come and attend the classes. And other parents, those who came to watch the program, their kids were there. They had not attended the workshop, but sir obliged them also to come forward and get their third eye activated. And amazingly, they could do it that very moment. So it was very surprising for everyone. Even the newspaper invitees, they were also amazed to see that. And they gave a full column to sir regarding his talent, regarding art and skill. So I'm really thankful to Mr. Srinivas that he has been spreading this pious knowledge to all the children, all the people. But unfortunately, many people are not joining. Perhaps they do not know the value of this secret art. And I believe if every child know this, definitely his or her grasping power, memory, concentration, behavior, everything will change. And that has happened with Ananta. Ananta has stopped fighting with her sisters now. She revealed herself that I don't fight with my sister. Her grasping has improved, her memory has improved, her behavior has also changed. So many things we can see how the child develops gradually. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man. Thank you for valuable suggestions and valuable feedback. And now I invite Beena ma'am to talk about 2 lines, how this brain yoga has been known to you. I was giving this knowledge to all the schools and colleges. She was a principal for Vasavi Education Trust in Bangalore. At the time, she has known about this knowledge, and she realized that this knowledge will be more useful for our organization. So she has joined that organization and introduced about me. And now she has given this opportunity to give it. Please talk about 2 minutes, ma'am. Please, Beena ma'am.
Namaste, sir. Good evening, all of you. So
Namaste.
I met sir when I was working as principal in VETPU College. And I have witnessed 2 of his sessions. It was offline. And we had a huge crowd at that time, actually. It was before the lockdown. So the auditorium was full, and I think 2 sessions he has conducted, and it was really wonderful. Students had got a gist of what it is, and so I thought it will be useful for him, for our students also in this organization. When I joined, I thought it will be useful for our students and to improve their memory and their overall development. So hope the parents and children make best use of it without missing his sessions. Hope they come every week on time and do it effectively, so that it will improve the brain power of the children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now Gayatri has finished. Let us show the Gayatri. Come and show me the arrangement of Uno cards with eyes closed, blindfold. In front of you, she has done. See, all blue colors, green color, yellow color, red color, all are in the same line with eyes closed. 1 to 9. Standing line, sleeping line is matching. Okay. Now Gayatri, you go and get 1 glass of water with eyes closed at your home, in your kitchen. Take your glass or water bottle, come and get up. Anyone is helping so that they can shoot their video. ఎవరు ఉన్నారో చూడు తీసుకోకండి అట్లే ఆడియో మొబైల్ తీసుకెళ్ళండి. I want to see how you are going to. Ananta Singh, come and show me how much you have done. Very good, excellent. Without passing the outline, she has colored the face, hairs, and peacock feather, and this ornaments, gold color, laddu. Kanna is eating laddu. Laddu khao, Kanna. Mera ghar khao, Kanna. Yes, she is very much like of Krishna. She always sings very beautifully about Krishna. Very good, excellent. Now, Ananta Singh, take 1 book and read the 1 para. Take 1 book. Anyone, ma'am, you please, Beena ma'am, you tell her any page. She will take that page with the eyes closed, blindfold itself. She can read.
Sir, take page number 10.
Page number 10, Ananta Singh. Yes, come on, take it, read. 10
Okay,
page.
Guruji, page number 10.
10, yes, correct.
Yes, somebody is there in my house. Somebody came to visit.
This is page
Gandhi.
number
Okay,
10,
okay.
Guruji.
Thank you, Gayatri. Come on. Yeah, page number 10, correct. Come on, read it.
Once upon a time, a poor fisherman lived with his wife. One day, the fisherman spotted an egg on the river bank. Oh, poor egg, he thought. I shall take it home. He did not know that it was a magical crocodile egg. It could take whatever shape it wished. The fisherman's wife cared for the egg as if it was her own child. Soon the egg hatched. It had a human body covered with a scaly crocodile skin. The fisherman and his wife were happy. It will be like our child.
Thank you. Now dictation, 2 lines, on the lines. Come on, get ready. 2 lines dictation. Gayatri, you also take the book, pen. Whatever they do with the open eyes, they can do with the closed eyes. Even the current is not all there. They can read and write in the dark by blindfold, eyes closed. How the animals live in the forest without light, without road, without infrastructure, without any hospital, school, temple, like that. We also can live. We have more power than animals. That's why man is called the most intelligent animal among all the creatures. We are not using our senses. We are not knowing our potentials. We should know how to clean our body, how to heal our body, how to strengthen our body, how to balance our body. So everything will be taught. This is known as ancient knowledge, Shabda Bheda Yoga Vidya. It is internationally known as International Higher Sensory Perception Brain Yoga. And if you participate in these competitions, it is known as IHSP Brain Olympiad. You can Google it. More than 9 lakh students have trained under me all over the globe. I have 4 national awards and 4 international awards. For more thing, you can see my website, www.jnananetram.com, Facebook, IHSP Brain Yoga. Okay, Instagram, Jnananetram. Come on, man, please dictate her. Ananta Singh is ready. Anyone? Netra ma'am, you can do it. 1 line.
Sure.
Start. Tell ma'am.
Yeah, sir, sure. Wait, sir. I am reading one book.
Book, anything you can tell.
Reading with understanding.
Reading with understanding. Yeah, good. Come on, right, Adya, Ananta. Reading with understanding. Ma'am, you tell 1 line, ma'am. Bina, ma'am. Unmute your audio and tell.
Yes, let her finish that.
Yes, she finished. Whatever the speed with the open eyes, she can do with this closed eyes. She will be more fast in closed.
Sir, done.
Done. Okay. Bina, ma'am.
Brain yoga is good for the brain.
Brain yoga is good.
For
Right.
concentration. Sorry.
Brain yoga
Yoga is
improves. Brain
okay.
yoga
Improves concentration. Yes.
concentration. Brain yoga improves concentration. Anantarangan parent, you tell 1 line.
Okay, sir.
Brain yoga improves concentration. Finished. On the lines. Each letter should be on the line. Gayatri, no, Rainana. Right? Oh, very good. See, all of you. Someone can pin. I can pin also. Yeah, I pin it.
Yoga is our ancient culture.
You write another one. 1 line after another line. Ananta Singh. Give 1 line gap. Yoga is an
ancient culture.
Is an ancient culture. Yoga is an ancient culture.
Guruji, done.
Done. Another parent. Harshavardhan parent.
Leave 1 line, okay.
We need to revive this forgotten art.
Meeta ma'am is telling.
Yeah.
We need to
revive
revive
this
this. We need to revive this
Yes, forgotten art.
forgotten art. Forgotten art. Harshavardhan parent.
Done.
Yoga is
Harshavardhan.
good for us.
Huh?
Yoga is good for us.
Yoga is good for all. Yoga is good for all. Come and show me Ananta Singh and Gayatri. Gayatri has also written. See, one line after another line, and she has written. I will pin once again. See, we need to revive this forgotten art. Yoga is good for all. Very good. What about
Very perfectly written.
perfectly written? Gayatri, you chupima. Gayatri, see how she is written. We can. Yeah, yoga is good for all. We need to revive this forgotten art. Yoga is an ancient culture. Very good. See, everything is written on the lines. The child's blindfold is below the eyebrows on the eyelids. Anyone can try. All parents and children, those who participated, come and close your eyes, take your index finger, close your eyes and catch all the eyelashes. Apply only 5 grams to 10 grams and close your eyes and place on your eyelashes, eyelids, and then try to open. Can't open because eyelids doesn't have bones. It can't open. In such a way, we have tied on the eyelids below the eyebrows, knot it correctly in presence of the parents. Before joining, they can't read and write. After they can read and write. Within 1 month, they are doing this activity. Not only children's, ma'am also can do, Meta ma'am also. Meta ma'am can scan the cards, numbers. There is no age limit. Only you have interest, focus, concentration. That's enough. There is no age barricades, no caste, no religion, no creed. Anyone can learn this knowledge. Only you should believe. Those who believe, they can learn the knowledge. Okay. Thank you for giving. Any other doubts? You please ask directly with the parents of the students who have already participated. And any more transparency, clarity, I invite. Any doubts, ma'am? Parents, teachers, students, newcomers? No. Okay. Right.
Guruji, may I open my blindfold?
Yeah, please open the blindfold. See how their eyes are there. All of you observe. See, they are closing the eyes and rubbing the palms, stimulating the eyes. With a few blinks, open the eyes, looking the palms in the dark and slowly opening. This is the way how they are open. They are honest. What are the development you have, ma'am? Haribom, Meeta ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I finally request.
Ma'am, this recording will be sent in the group.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. We will check and let you know, ma'am.
Ananta Singh. I want 2 minutes feedback about this knowledge. Before that, what you are. After that, what you are. You please tell in your own way. After that, Gayatri. Unmute your audio and tell. What are the changes? What are the benefits of
Before
online brain
yoga,
yoga?
I didn't concentrate in any work. And
Little bit
after
louder.
brain yoga, I started concentrating on works. And before brain yoga, I always fight with my sister. After brain yoga, I didn't fight with my sister.
Very good, excellent. All of you clap. Good. And what about in academics? Academics, what is your improvement?
So good.
Gayatri, what about you?
I joined brain yoga for developing my study skills and academic skills and my activity skills. After joining the brain yoga, I developed in my studies very well. I am getting marks very well. I am participating in all programs in my school and other activities also. I am very well in sports with my friends. Before I am not have interest to play with my friends and my brother also. I watched the TV so much before. Now onwards, after joining the brain yoga, I am not seeing the TV while my mother, my family watch, then only I will watch the TV. I am studying very well and I am very developed after this. And my brother also developed.
Very good, very good. Thank you, thank you.
So Rakesh కూడా ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు సార్?
ఉన్నాడా రాకేష్ రామా? కెమెరా ముందు రామా రాకేష్ బాబు, నీ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ చెప్పు. కమన్.
Sir, he is preparing for Navodaya.
Okay, no problem. To next class, she ask him to attend on Thursday. Let the children want to inspire about by seeing his performance. Okay. Thank you, one and all, for having this great session. Thank you, Beena ma'am, Netra ma'am, and the organization. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Invite your all friends. Okay. Next
Sure,
time.
sir. Sure.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, sir. Thank you.
So does this class come every day?
No,
No, only
only on
Thursday.
Thursday, Arsha.
If you want daily class means you should join separately.
Okay, sir.
Okay, show me Ananta Singh. Yes, Krishna, Kanna. Wow, very good, excellent. She finished completely. Without crossing the outlines, she has done with eyes closed, blindfold, Krishna. So here the children feel happy, without stress-free education, stress-free. By seeing this, they activate and then they will read big fonts and then small fonts. As per science, whatever we read with the closed eyes, it is going and storing in the right brain. Science is telling right brain storage is a long-term and permanent and creative brain. Left brain is a temporary and logical brain. So whatever we read with the open eyes, we should realize by closing the eyes and recall with the right brain. We should store from left brain to right brain. Transferring is happening. These all the techniques which we go to year ending session. So it is not, it is a glimpse. One day, weekly, one day means it is a glimpse. Okay. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Jai Gurudev, Guruji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Have a good day, everybody.